Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunita. I am from UP. I hope you are doing well and learning this beautiful language in a fun and simple way. Friends, today I want to talk about something very important, how to practice alone. This is very common questions for beginners. That is why I am going to talk about this topic, how to practice alone. Sometimes we think we need a teacher, friends, or parents to help us practice. But the truth is, the most important practice happens when we are alone. When we practice alone, we learn to believe in ourselves. First, I find a quiet place. It can be our room, a corner of our home, or even outside. A quiet place helps me focus better. Second, I make a simple plan. I decide what I want to practice. It can be reading, speaking English, dancing, singing, drawing, or studying. I do not try to do everything at once. I choose only one thing and give it my full attention. Third, I speak loudly and clearly. If I am practicing English speaking, I stand in front of a mirror. I look at myself and speak confidently. I imagine there is an audience in front of me. I smile and use my hand movements. This helps me improve my body language. Fourth, I repeat again and again. Practice is not about doing something once, it is about repeating it many times until it becomes easy. Even if I make a mistake, I do not stop because mistakes are my teachers. Fifth, I record myself sometimes. When I listen to my voice, I understand where I need improvement. I record myself sometimes. When I listen to my voice, I understand where I need improvement. I try again and make it better. Six, I encourage myself. I say positive words like I can do it. I am the best. I am improving every day. I am confident. I am fluent. I can speak English. You know, practicing alone also teaches discipline. No one is forcing me. I am choosing to improve. That makes me stronger. Sometimes I feel lazy or bored. I remind myself of my dream. If I want to succeed, I must practice, even when no one is watching me. In the end, practicing alone makes me independent, confident, and responsible. It helps me grow step by step. So remember, if you don't always need a crowd to become better, sometimes all you need is yourself, your goal, and your determination. So much for watching my video. Friends, if you are new here and watching my video for the very first time, please subscribe to my channel and please motivate me. Thank you so much for watching my video and listening me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.